Hey loves, it's Brianna. Today I'm sharing with you the best cleaning videos of 2018 on my channel. This will hopefully give you motivation to clean your entire house. So get ready to clean with me. And if you're new here, make sure you click that red subscribe button and join all of the fun that's coming in the new year. And be sure to follow me on my socials too. I'm at Bits of Brie. I like organizing my cleaning videos like a checklist so that you can truly follow along with my routine and clean with me today, because who doesn't want your house fresh and clean for the new year? And I always want you to feel positive, inspired, and motivated when you watch my cleaning videos or any of the videos on my channel. So we're gonna get started off today with my least favorite spot in the house and end on my favorite cleaning chore on my list. So end on a high note. And if you've been following a while, you probably know my least favorite things to clean are the toilets and bathrooms. And I'm also going to share some hacks and tips as I clean and share my favorite cleaning products of 2018 in this video, so you get a little how-to advice as you clean with me too. And as you watch, if you have a tip or a favorite cleaning product, let me know in the comments. I'm always looking to try new things, and I love that in this community we can all learn from each other. So when it comes to how to clean your toilet, my favorite product is the Clorox Toilet Wand. I have these next to every toilet around my home. They have replaceable heads and they make it super easy to clean the toilet. And then I use the Clorox wipes to wipe down the handle and the seat and the lid so that it's completely sanitized. Again, this is my least favorite chore, but the Clorox wands really do make it better. When it comes to cleaning my bathtubs and shower stalls, I love using the Mrs. Meyers Lavender Tub and Tile Spray. The scent is really fresh and powdery clean, and during Clean Week on my channel this summer, I tried out a bunch of weird cleaning gadgets after I went down this rabbit hole on Amazon, and I found this electric Clorox rotating scrub brush, and it is life-changing. Whether I'm cleaning the shower or my jacuzzi tub, my back used to hurt so bad after bending down to scrub them out and clean them, but after getting this, it has made a world of difference. So let me know also if you liked Clean Week and if you'd like to see another Clean Week on my channel this winter. So after the toilets and bathrooms, next on the list is laundry, and we're going to be changing the bedding. I don't know why this is on the lower end of my list. Maybe it's because of the time for doing laundry that's involved, but I think when it comes to changing the beds, maybe because I'm a perfectionist and feel like the sheets and pillows are never perfectly even or something, but I do love the feeling of getting into freshly washed sheets, so I do this at least once a week. And lately I've been using the Mrs. Meyers Honeysuckle Detergent Fabric Softener, and they also have scent booster crystals, and it makes the sheets smell so sweet and heavenly. And another cleaning hack, I always mist my bedding and sheets with the Mrs. Meyers Honeysuckle Room Spray every single day, and that way it makes them smell extra fresh and clean in between washes. Next on the list, we're going to clean the kitchen. I try to do a deep clean of the kitchen once a month or before a big holiday or gathering so that it's extra clean for our guests. But I wipe down all of the cabinets top to bottom, and this can be pretty time consuming, but I really love how it makes the entire kitchen smell once it's done. Depending on what season it is or my mood, I use a different Mrs. Meyers multi-surface spray scent. I dilute that in warm water, and I will then wipe the cabinets down with a microfiber cloth that's soaked in that mixture. And I use that same multi-surface spray then for cleaning my countertops. In the sink, I combine dish soap with the Mrs. Meyers Surface Scrub, and I use a sponge then to scrub out the entire sink basin. This also makes your garbage disposal smell pretty good too if you have one. Then when it comes to my stainless steel appliances, I love the Method Mint glass cleaner. It smells amazing. Definitely in my holy grail of cleaning products and leaves everything streak free. Moving along to the next item on the cleaning to-do list, we're going to do a declutter and dusting of the house. The living room, the bedrooms, this way everything can smell fresh and clean. I love using the Mrs. Meyers multi-surface spray when I dust. Lately, now that the holidays are drawing to a close, I've moved from the holiday scents. I love the peppermint, but I'm using the honeysuckle scent downstairs and the lavender scent upstairs in the bedrooms. And I like using a multi-fiber cloth. These are the ones that I got from Grove Collaborative, which I will have that link down below if you want to try out Grove. But when I'm in a hurry, I like to use my red duster and I just spray some of the multi-surface spray directly on it. So that way it picks up the dust and doesn't just push it around, and you can wash then the red dusting head in your washing machine when you're done. And next on the list, using that Method Mint glass cleaner to clean all of the windows and mirrors around my home. The mint smell is seriously my favorite. And I remember helping my mom with this chore around our house when I was little, which is probably why I still love doing it today. But the Method Mint glass cleaner makes it even better. Seriously, you have to try this if you haven't yet. And we're almost done. Next on the list is in the dining room, cleaning the dining room table. The Method Wood for Good cleaner smells so good. And there's a Method Wood for Good polish that I like to use after I use the cleaner. The almond scent is amazing. This is another one you've got to try if you haven't yet. And finally today, we are going to be cleaning the floors. Vacuuming is probably my favorite cleaning chore, so saving the best for last, which is what you do anyways when you're doing a true top to bottom clean of your house. But I love running my Roomba every day just to help stay on top of cleaning the floors, especially with all of the crumbs from the kids eating downstairs. But upstairs, I love using the actual vacuum and seeing the lines in the carpet. It always makes me feel so productive to look at a room after it's been cleaned and vacuumed with those carpet lines. Is it that way for anyone else, or am I crazy? You can tell me. But because I also love my Hurricane 360 mop, finishing up with a mop of all of the hard floors, because the smell of a freshly mopped floor, it's just like mission accomplished. I love using the Method Squirt and Mop in almond, that same almond scent as the dining room, for wood floors, and then the lemon ginger for my tile floors. Both seriously smell so amazing and clean, and I love the bottle. It's super easy to use. But I hope this best of 2018 Clean With Me video gives you tons of cleaning motivation so that you can get your entire house in order for the new year. If you do, let me know in the comments if this gave you the motivation that you needed. I always like to hear your feedback, and if you have any other ideas for videos you'd like to see in 2019 on my channel, let me know that as well. Click the thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you next year. Happy New Year. Bye, loves.